Carrascal Nickel Corporation adheres to its commitments for sustainable growth and development. Since starting its commercial operations in 2009, CNC has contributed its fair share to the government and partner communities, witnessing rapid progress through employment opportunities, social development and management programs, and corporate social responsibility projects. Living up to its motto of mining that makes a difference, CNC ensures continuous progress by practicing responsible mining. Within the short period of its existence, CNC has become a driving force by maintaining a harmonious relationship with the community, ensuring the health and safety of the people, and vigorously pursuing its commitment to environment protection and enhancement programs and other environmental initiatives. CNC is located in the municipality of Carrascal, province of Surigao del Sur. With its positive impact on the barangays within the municipality, CNC has always been close to the hearts of the community. The company mines lateritic ore, which contains marketable nickel and iron content commonly used for stainless steel production. CNC exports the ore to customers in China, averaging 5 million wet metric tons per year. With a projected increase in ore production, the company also seeks to cater to the demands from other countries. The company has provided employment opportunities to a majority of the local community members, while some skilled and technical staff from different parts of the country are also tapped. This allows empowerment and improvement of community members through skills transfer and training. The opportunities made available has benefited the local community and enhanced their quality of life. Through its vision of being the Philippines' leading diversified mineral resource organization, the company seeks to always make a positive difference.
Carrascal Nickel Corporation has experienced successful growth from its short period of existence through the commendable vision, teamwork, and collaboration of its management team and all its employees.
The growth of CNC is greatly attributed by its working culture, maintaining strong and meaningful relationships with the management, employees, local government and concerned government agencies, indigenous people, and all other stakeholders are given significant regard.
Through the continuous improvement of our systems and processes, we ensure that our operations are at par with the mining industry's best practices. From the mining method being implemented to the responsible stewardship of the environment, we ensure that the impact brought about by the mining operation is progressive, sustainable, and positive.
Nickel laterite mines are operated using open-pit mining since the ore deposits are shallow or near the surface. As an operating mine, CNC is involved in two phases of the operation, namely the development and the production phases.
During development, we ensure that all the necessary structures are in place, including environmental mitigating measures consisting of settling ponds, collector sump, proper layout of drainage canals, and others that would ensure the protection of our environment. As we move to the production phase, efficient ore extraction and safe operations is our main concern. We implement the production schedule and aim to always achieve our targets. With collaborative teamwork within the organization, our operation has always mined safely and productively while ensuring the best quality of our ore.
At CNC, industrialization and environment preservation coexist. This is what the company continuously achieves through the implementation of its environmental projects and reforestation activities. Mining is being done responsibly.
has been the practice of the company to do what is necessary to protect and enhance the environment while the operation is ongoing and to be sustainable after mining. Mining is temporary as our minerals are non-renewable resources. Our generation has been privileged to be allowed to extract and make use of minerals for our needs for progress. With this privilege, returning and enhancing these areas has been our responsibility. From its workers to top management, continued support, improvement, and implementation has been the top priority.
A noteworthy accomplishment of the company is its efforts for progressive rehabilitation. While developing mining areas only needed for a year's production, a systematic rehabilitation and reforestation program of mined-out areas has been established. As new areas are opened for mining, previous mining areas are immediately rehabilitated and reforested, restoring and even improving the area to what it once was. With sufficient facilities such as nurseries, organic fertilizer production, and a clonal laboratory, CNC's reforestation works are ensured to continue and aid in the progress and advancement of the community. Awarded as the company with the best mining forest, it further increased the company's drive in maintaining responsible stewardship of the environment. While environmental impacts to land, air, and water are always monitored and mitigated, CNC has always urged itself toward continuous improvement and being proactive, ensuring that the impact brought by mining is positive. True to its core thrust of mining that makes a difference, CNC has partnered with the local government of Carrascal for their Social Development and Management Program that develops and implements projects and programs with the community and for the community through HELPs, health, education, livelihood, public utilities, and socio-cultural preservation activities.
We at CNC, we serve 13 barangays all in all, out of which are host and 6 are neighboring. A barangay is called host if it is within the mining claim or area of a certain mining company, while a barangay is called neighboring when it is adjacent or not within a mining claim.
CNC shares its blessings with the community by providing the best healthcare services to its employees, their families, and the community through initiatives like construction and repairs of health centers in its host and neighboring barangays, annual medical missions, feeding programs, provision of ambulance and medical apparatuses and supplies to host and neighboring barangays, and Hatao, a dance exercise activity every Saturday at Carrascal Baywalk and in scheduled barangays.
Yan ay problema na mo kita pag-abot sa amo health facility, makakuha na kita kami ng mga panginahanglanon nila sa ilang panglawas na panginahanglanon. O ang tagimo ng CNC jay ila tagimo na medical mission din free consultations and free sub na mga medicines. So dabo karadyaw na mga tao ang naka-avail. Isa na anoya gadyoy kwarta.